Hey, to check sleep data of your HUAWEI Band 9, all you have to do is just open the HUAWEI Health application, and you should actually go for this first page when you got access to all tabs, and you have to go for the Health in the left bottom corner, and from this you can actually find your sleep data. So when you click on it, you can find this for each day, week, month, and even year. There we go. So now when you just keep scrolling, you can find a lot of different information, for example, like record sleep, the sleep sounds. You can even add the record manually. From this you can find this light sleep stage, the deep sleep, REM sleep stage, and other stuff. There's also the breathing quality points, how many times you woke up, and from this you can also find some base information. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel